Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. TCS NQT 2026 is announced on campus, and on campus generally comes for the priority colleges. So we are pleased to inform you that TCS Tata Consultancy Services has announced the TCS National Qualifier Test exclusively for Priority Institute for 2026 graduating student. Tentative test date second week of November. Exact date will be shared later. Registration deadline 15th of October. There is some issue with the TCS Next Step portal, so definitely the registration date will also increase. Don't worry about it, friends. You will be getting Ninja role for 3.5 LPA, Digital 7.7 LPA and 7.3 for PG, Prime 9 LPA. Okay, but one thing, friends, is definitely there in everyone's mind. That's a TCS NQT 2025. So that was not very great. Okay, so almost 90% of the candidates were rejected after the interview, and many candidates in that HR said that you will be definitely selected, but they have also got rejected. Even they gave the interview for Prime and they were rejected. Okay, fine, friends. See, the situation in TCS is not great as of now. They already laid off around 19,000 employees. Okay, and also in 2025 the results were not great. But now my only one question to you: what is there in your hand? In your hand, you need to prepare. You have done BTech, right? BTech, MTech. What else option you have? So you have to get into IT company. So you prepare for all the companies. Okay, not TCS, only Infosys or only Genpact or only KPMG or only Capgemini. No, your duty is to prepare for the exam. Rest leave it on God. Okay, see, if you are doing hard work, trust me, you will always get paid off. Other thing, friends, see, why should you prepare for TCS? Because TCS syllabus is quite, you can say like extensive. Okay, so aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, advanced coding section, so everything is covered. So if you prepare for TCS, then many other companies exam you will be easily able to crack. So their level is very, very good. Okay, and once, see, I'm telling you, if you prepare for TCS, no exams like Infosys and all will be like you will be able to do from your left hand itself. Okay, so that is the reason I'm telling you, friends. So you have to prepare for TCS. Okay, fine. So you do your job, rest leave it on God. Definitely something good will happen. Okay, now, so don't listen others that I am waiting from last 1 year, did not get joined. Why are you only depending on one company? See, if you got selected in TCS, that means you are a good candidate. You try for other companies also. There is nothing wrong in it, correct? Okay, anyway, now, so as you know, the exam will be in November. Friends, see, TCS every year hires the current batch in off campus and on campus. On campus will generally be happening in October end or November. So this year it is in November, right? Okay, second week. And this will be for priority colleges like tier 1, tier 2 colleges. And off campus will be happening in April, May. So off campus will be happening in April, May. Okay, and friends, in April, May. Okay, and here all colleges will be eligible. All colleges will be eligible. This is how TCS will be hiring. So along with TCS, your focus should be in all other companies. You try to get as many companies as possible. And another things which I wanted to tell you, friends, see, off campus you can write as many companies as possible. Okay, so anyway, 2026 lot of opportunities will be there. Now, friends, TCS has for 3 different role: Ninja, Digital and Prime, Ninja 3.3 LPA, Digital 7 LPA and Prime 9 LPA. So PG 3.5, 7.3 and 11.5. Friends, you have to start your preparation from now only. Otherwise later, except regret, nothing will be there. See, there will be 2 sections will be there: part A foundation and part B advanced. In foundation section, numerical ability, aptitude 25 minutes, verbal ability 25 minutes, reasoning ability 25 minutes. Advanced section, advanced aptitude and reasoning will be asked 25 minutes and 90 minutes. Total 190 minutes exam will be there. Here you see. So foundation section, numerical ability, how many questions? So 20 questions will be there from numerical ability for 25 minutes. Logical reasoning, 20 question for 25 minutes. Verbal ability, 25 question for 25 minutes. And part B will be advanced section, advanced aptitude plus reasoning, 15 question, 25 minutes. And advanced coding will be there, 2 question for 90 minutes. Correct? Okay. Now, here you see, friends. So some of the results which I wanted to show you, because see, I said there are people who were rejected, but there are people who were selected also. So thank you, Pratik sir. I have purchased your TCS NQT course and it helped me a lot for clearing the NQT assessment and clearing the interview. And sir, with your continuous guidance and support, I have got digital offer. I got shortlisted for an interview. Definitely thanks to Pratik sir for putting so much effort in the NQT course. Okay. I got selected in digital. Thank you, sir, for your endless effort. It means a lot. Sir, literally one day before my NQT exam, I went through max of your aptitude videos online and got shortlisted for Prime interview and got digital offer. Thank you, Pratik sir. My son is selected for TCS Prime and your videos helps me a lot. So friends, see, the way we are teaching you, right? See, even if you go and check our live section on YouTube, see how many TCS videos, TCS NQT shift analysis, okay? TCS NQT coding, TCS NQT complete reasoning revision, okay, TCS NQT complete aptitude revision. So much of the things we had done during your examination, and even in course and YouTube we do definitely a few videos. Okay, so friends, that is how the result comes. So anyway, online study for you, if you will type TCS, so online study for you is always famous for the TCS NQT crash course. Okay, and also see, in 1 year in 2024 itself we had given 5,000 selections. So here you could see even on our YouTube channel, if you'll go, the banner you see, right? So friends, see, it's not like I'm promoting my course. See, the thing is very, very clear. You need to do some kind of preparation. Otherwise, how will you clear the examination? See, it's not like, aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, advanced aptitude, advanced coding. You need to know the format, what topic is important, okay, what kind of question comes in exam, what was asked in 2025 exam. So you need to know all those things. It's not like simply you will go and write the examination. It's not like I'm promoting my courses. See, the thing is, you need to also know that within that time, how are you going to attempt the question. So for that, we have the test series here. Okay, so we have the mock test series here, which will guide you. See, mock test series is there, so which will tell you, okay, this is how you will be able to attempt in the real time, and you will be able to know, because the time is 25 minutes for aptitude question. So you should definitely practice this 25 20 question in 25. All those things you need to practice it, then only the things will happen correctly, right? Okay, so real time preparation techniques, tips, everything you will be getting it, and you do not have much time. Get this TCS NQT crash course right now. Start your preparation and keep this syllabus in mind, and accordingly you are going to prepare. Okay, because now for other colleges also this will be coming. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. If there is any information with respect to TCS NQT exam, then definitely I will provide it to you. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Tata.